Hi guys! Alright, so I'm going to be showing you how I would solve this math message. Now you might have done it different than I am, but we are going to be looking at how there are different ways we can over the next few weeks. And so I'm going to be showing you just one way that I would like to do this. So how I would solve this is first you always read it. And it says solve, sketch to show your thinking. So that's not really part of the problem. That is more of the direction. So those are important because it says I need to sketch my thinking. So that means it wants me to draw a picture. And I put that over here in my steps to success. It says that I need to read and annotate, and then I need to draw a picture. So first let's go ahead and finish reading the problem. So it says Miss Smith has 20 scissors. She places scissors on 5 tables. How many scissors can she place on each table? So it says I've read it, and now I need to annotate it. So I'm looking for those important numbers. So here it says that she has 20 scissors. And now it doesn't say that here, but it's saying that means like that's her in all total. She has 20 scissors total. It says she places scissors on 5 tables. So she's placing them. So she's taking a pair of scissors and put another pair of scissors on each table, and she's got 5 of them. And the question here, what's my job? What am I trying to figure out? Well, it says how many scissors can she place on each table? So I'm trying to figure out how many scissors, right, go on each table. We know we have 5 tables. We know we have 20 scissors, but how many scissors does that make go on each table? What can I do? Well, I'm going to do step 2, where it says to draw a picture. So I've read it, I've annotated. Now I'm going to go ahead and draw my picture. So I'm going to draw 5 tables. I could draw 20 scissors and group them up, but I'm going to think it makes a little bit more sense to me in my brain. I think, okay, I'm going to have tables and I need to put them. I'm picturing myself actually doing this in class. So I'm going to go ahead and draw my 5 tables. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Maybe your tables will be a little bit more of the same shape than mine are. And then now I'm going to divide these up. I'm going to give 1 pair of scissors to each table until I have no more scissors. Okay, so let's go ahead, and I'm just going to draw. I could make a cute little picture of scissors, but that's going to take a really long time. So I'm just going to draw dots, and each one of my dots, that's going to represent a pair of scissors. You could draw a line, you could draw a box, something simple that you could do quickly. Okay. So I'm going to count and put 1 in each until I get to 20. So I'm going to make a line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, am I done? No, I only counted to 5. What number am I supposed to count to? That's right, 20. I need to have 20 scissors divided up between these. So I've only put 1 pair on the 5. So now I need to start back at the beginning and count until I finish, and just keep doing that loop until I get to 20. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Still not at 20. So I go 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, still not at 20, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, so I've got to 20. All right, so I drew my picture of the problem and I divided up my scissors. Now it says, how many are in each group? How many scissors did I get? Well, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so I have 4 in this one. Do they all have 4? Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. So what's my answer? How many are in each group? Well, this one group here has 4. Very good. All right, so my number model here was 20. I have my big number divided by, what was the number here? Remember, you can only use the numbers that are in the problem. So 20 was my big number, divided by 5, which was my small number, which equals my answer of 4. That 4 was not in the number story. Right? Remember, that's always important. whatever is in your division problem here or whatever is in your number model can only be from the problem. If you used 4 in your answer here, in your number model here, then that means you were really showing me that 4 times 5, right? Because there's 5 tables, 4, and that equals 20. But we already knew that we had 20. The thing that we did not know was that there needed to be 4. So make sure that you're thinking about that as you write your number model. I know that that can be tricky sometimes. All right, so I want you to draw and show what you're visualizing for the following problems. Good luck.